Morning everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How are you doing today? Happy Friday. Getting ready for a nice long weekend of beach volleyball with my daughters. So what we have here today is a set of 3 Remington rifle ads that we've had professionally framed. Not quite sure on when these were made. I don't think they're super vintage, but they're just cool. So if you are into any kind of gun collections or vintage advertising in general, these might be for you. Have a great weekend.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.